how to move a 30-inch range with Airsled Hover Blades. This video is a part of Airsled's Hover Blades video series and will demonstrate how to move a 30-inch range weighing 150 pounds. It will also explain special requirements to move certain ranges with storage drawers. This 150-pound range has a removable storage drawer, which is a very common feature. Removing the storage drawer reveals a single, structural crossbar along the front, which alone does not provide a suitable contact point to lift the range with Airsled Hover Blades. This 30-inch long by 1.5-inch wide by 3/16-inch thick metal bar was used to create the required lifting points. The metal bar was placed under the range to complement the front crossbar and create contact points for the Airsled Hover Blades. Ranges without a front crossbar will require 2 metal bars to create lifting points. Remember to always remove your shop vacuum's dust bag before hover blade use, and clear all debris from the tank if using the vacuum without its filter. Airsled Hover Blades naturally work with 2.5-inch blower ports. However, there are shop vacuum models with smaller blower ports which are incompatible with the Hover Blade's 60-inch lead hose. For those models, Airsled offers a universal iris adapter. Connect the shop vacuum's original hose to its blower port and use Airsled's universal iris adapter to attach the Hover Blades kit. Reinforcing the adapter's locking mechanism with tape can prevent it from being pulled open during use. Learn more at airsled.com.